Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum educarians. I hope all of you are fine and taking good care of yourself. Welcome in mathematics class. Lesson number 1. Dear students, today we are going to start our unit number 1 sets. So let's have a look. Dear students, the material required for today's lesson is lead pencil, eraser, highlighter, ruler, blue pen, blue marker, mathematics textbook and mathematics notebook. Dear students, I hope all of you are having this material and get ready for today's lesson. Let's start our unit number 1 sets. The contents included in this lesson are Introduction to Sets, Set Representation. Dear students, today we will discuss 3 forms of sets: descriptive form, tabular form, set builder form and cardinal number. So let's begin. Dear students, by the end of this lesson, you will be able to learn about what is set. You will be able to know how to represent a set. You will be able to know what is descriptive form of set, what is tabular form of sets, and what is set builder form. Okay dear students, now please open your mathematics textbook and come to page number 6. Write today's task, day and date on your textbook. Let's start our unit number 1, sets. Let's come to know about sets review. Dear students, a set is a collection of well-defined objects. The term well-defined means that there is no ambiguity about which object belongs to the set and which does not. Dear students, a well-defined object is one that has a specific property by which we can easily identify whether or not an object belongs to the given set. Dear students, well-defined set हमारे पास एक ऐसा सेट है जिसकी कोई स्पेसिफिक प्रॉपर्टी होती है और जो हम easily बना सकते हैं. The word ambiguity means that there is no doubt about which object belongs to the set and which does not belongs to the given set. Dear students, for example, a book does not belongs to a cricket kit. Similarly, a tennis ball does not belongs to a set of books. For example, dear students, set A is equal to first 5 natural number. This is a well-defined set because in this set there is no doubt about which number belongs to the first 5 natural number and which number does not belongs to the first 5 natural number. Everyone knows the first 5 natural numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Look at the picture. A sofa set. Dear students, in our day-to-day life, we use a lot of sets. For example, a bunch of keys, a sofa set, a pack of cards. These all the examples of sets. Highlight the main points on your textbook. Let's underline some examples of sets. A is equal to students of class 7 of Sky High School is a set. Furniture in a room is also a set. Science books on a shelf is a type of set. And all good schools in Lahore is not a set, as good is an ambiguous word. Because, dear students, what is good to one may not be good to someone else. So, it is not a well-defined set. As I have already informed that well-defined object is one that has a specific property. Well-defined set हमारे पास वो set होता है जिसकी कोई specific property होती है और ऐसा set जो हम easily बना सकते हैं. So dear students, all good schools in Lahore is not a well-defined set because good is one may not be good to someone else. Similarly, E is equal to favorite color is not a set. Dear students, because favorite colors are different for different people. हम सब people के favorite color same नहीं हो सकते. That's why it is not a well-defined set. But dear students, F is equal to set of vowels of English alphabet is a well-defined set. Because everyone knows about the English alphabets. Highlight the main points on your textbook. Okay dear student, come to the page number 7 of your textbook. Let's come to know how is a set represented. A set can be represented in 3 forms. The first form is descriptive form. Dear students, in descriptive form the set is described in words. Dear student, descriptive form में हम set को words की form में means statement की form में describe करते हैं. हम इसमें elements show नहीं करते. Look at the example. The set A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 can be written in descriptive form as A is equal to first 5 natural number. So dear student, the set A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is the set of first 5 natural number. तो हमने उसको descriptive form में statement की form में show किया है. A is equal to first 5 natural number. R is equal to 4 sports channel on TV. The second form is set builder form. Dear students, in set builder form, when the property satisfied by the elements of the set are written as a rule. Dear students, set builder form में भी हम set को statement की form में describe करते हैं. But before describing the statement, हमें set builder form में एक rule mention करना ज़रूरी होता है. That is called X such that X. Look at the example. A is equal to X such that X is a natural number and X less than 6. F is equal to X such that X is a letter in the word bubble. The third form is tabular form. Dear students, when the elements of the set are listed distinctly within a pair of curly brackets. Dear students, tabular form में हम elements को show करते हैं within curly brackets और उनको हम separate करते हैं commas insert करके. Look at the example. The set of whole number less than 6 can be represented in the tabular form as A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Dear students, first of all look at the example. I know you know very well this is the set of natural number. So first of all, cut the word whole number and mention here natural number. Now look at the example. Dear students, this is the set of natural number shown in tabular form. We mention the natural number within curly brackets and separated by commas. So this is the set of natural number less than 6. Dear student, the symbol colon are read as such that. Highlight the main points on your textbook. Come to the page number 8 of your textbook. Let's come to know some symbols used in set theory. Look at the example. Let A is equal to 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. The first symbol is belongs to. 4 belongs to A, that is 4 is an element of A. Dear students, look at the example. We have a set A and there are 5 elements in set A. 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. As you can see, हमारे पास element 4 set A से belong करता है. That's why 4 is an element of A. It is also read as 4 belongs to A. The second symbol is not belongs to. 8 not belongs to A. That is 8 is not an element of A. Dear students, look at the example. Set A is equal to 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. हमारे पास element A set A से belong नहीं करता. So it is also read as 8 does not belongs to A. Cardinal number of a set. Dear students, the cardinal number of a set is the number of elements of the given set. Dear students, cardinal number हमारे पास नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट्स ऑफ गिवन सेट्स हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल A is equal to 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. There are 5 elements in set A. So the cardinal number of set A is 5. That is, A has 5 elements. Highlight the main points on your textbook. So dear students, it's time to start our notebook work. Please open your maths notebook and write today's index, unit number 1, sets. Exercise number 1A, question number 1 and 2. Let's make the title page of unit number 1, sets. Write reading, introduction and questions answer. Write today's task, day and date on your notebook. The topic is unit number 1, sets. Let's start exercise number 1A. Come to the question number 1. Write the sets below in set builder form, tabular form and write the cardinal number of each set. So let's start. The part A of question number 1. Set A is equal to all possible numbers formed by any two of the digits 1, 2 and 5. Dear students, first of all, write the set in set builder form. As we have already discussed that in set builder form, set is described by a statement and expressed in the form of rule. So this set is written in set builder form as A is equal to x such that x is a number formed by any two digits from 1, 2 and 5. Let's write the set in tabular form. Dear students, we have already discussed in tabular form that in tabular form the elements of the set are listed within curly brackets and separated by commas. In this question, they are asking the possible numbers formed by any two of the digits 1, 2 and 5. Dear students, इस क्वेश्चन में हमसे क्वेश्चन किया जा रहा है कि हम 1, 2 और 5 इन 3 डिजिट्स में से 2 डिजिट्स को ज्वाइन करके कितने और कौन से नंबर बना सकते हैं. So dear students, the answer is 12, 15, 25, 52, 51 and 21. As you can check, dear students, अगर हम 1 और 2 को ज्वाइन करेंगे तो हमारे पास नंबर 12 बनेगा. 1 और 5 को ज्वाइन करके हमारे पास नंबर 15 बनेगा. 2 और 5 को ज्वाइन करके हमारे पास नंबर 25 बनेगा. As it is, 5 और 2 को ज्वाइन करके हमारे पास नंबर 52 आ रहा है. 5 और 1 को ज्वाइन करके 51 मिल रहा है एंड 2 और 1 को ज्वाइन करके 21 बन रहा है. So the cardinal number of this set is, cardinal number of A is 6. Dear students, as you know, the cardinal number is the number of elements of the set. हमारे पास set A में total 6 elements बन रहे हैं. That's why the cardinal number of this set is 6. Let's start the B part of question number 1. B is equal to different digits of 101 raised to power 3. First of all, write the answer in set builder form. B is equal to x such that x is a digits of 101 raised to power 3. Dear students, before going to write this set in tabular form, we have to solve this question. Look at the rough work. 101 raised to power 3, it's mean the number is multiplied by itself 3 times. हमारे पास नंबर 101 खुद से 3 टाइम मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा है बिकॉज हमारे पास नंबर के ऊपर पावर 3 मेंशन है. सो द आंसर इज 1,30,301. सो इन टेबुलर फॉर्म हमारे पास इस नंबर में डिजिट्स मिल रहे हैं 0, 1 and 3. The cardinal number of this set is n of b is equal to 3. हमारे पास टेबुलर फॉर्म में 3 एलिमेंट्स आ रहे हैं. That's why the cardinal number of this set is 3. Let's start question number 2. Write the sets below in descriptive form, tabular form and write the cardinal number of each set. Let's start part A of question number 2. Set A is equal to x such that x is a square number and x less than 101. So dear students, do you know in which form this set is given? Yes, I hope all of you know that this set is given in set builder form. So first of all, write the answer in descriptive form. A is equal to all square numbers less than 101. Let's write the answer in tabular form. So dear students, before going to write the answer in tabular form, we have to solve the question. Dear students, they are asking the square number. Square number means every number is multiplied by itself with 2 times and x less than 101. So 1 raised to power 2 is equal to 1, 2 raised to power 2 is equal to 4, 3 raised to power 2 is equal to 9, 4 raised to power 2 is equal to 16, 5 raised to power 2 is equal to 25, 6 raised to power 2 is equal to 36, 7 raised to power 2 is equal to 49, 8 raised to power 2 is equal to 64, 9 raised to power 2 is equal to 81 and 10 raised to power 2 is equal to 100. Dear students, इस क्वेश्चन में वो हमसे नंबर मांग रहे हैं लेस देन 101. So the answer in tabular form is 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, 64, 81 and 100. Now you can write the cardinal number of the given set. As there are 10 elements in this set, so the cardinal number of this set A is 10. So dear students, let's start part B of question number 2. Set B is equal to x such that x is an angle of the pentagon A, B, C, D and E. Let's write the answer in descriptive form. Do you know how to write the answer in descriptive form? Yes, dear students, I hope all of you know that in descriptive form, we just describe the statement. B is equal to all the angles of the pentagon A, B, C, D and E. Let's write answer in tabular form. But dear students, before going to write the answer in tabular form, let's come to know about pentagon. Dear students, pentagon is a shape of mathematics with 5 sides. There are 5 sides in this shape, so there are 5 angles. Angle A, angle B, angle C, angle D and angle E. In this question, they are asking write the angles of the pentagon A, B, C, D and E. So in tabular form, we will write the answer B is equal to angle A, angle B, angle C, angle D, angle E. Write the answer within curly brackets and separated by commas. Now, let's come to know the cardinal number of the given set. Dear students, there are 5 elements in this set, so the cardinal number of set B is equal to 5. Dear students, I hope all of you understand all these questions. With the help of this slide, write the answer on your notebooks. So dear students, I hope today's topics are now clear and you got each and every point. It's time to write task to do. The task to do for you is make title page of unit number 1. Learn highlighted points of page number 6 and 7. Do homework of exercise number 1A, question number 1, part C, question number 2, part C on notebook. Dear students, I hope today's topics will be helpful for you. Best of luck for your home task. Allah Hafiz.